Let's create a simple sticky notes board on Notion. Type /4 columns and choose 4 columns. In the first column, type /button and choose button. Rename your button New Sticky Notes and add new action. We are going to add new block whenever we click the button. To achieve that, type /callout. Now when click on the button, a new sticky note will be inserted. Now duplicate the button across the 4 columns. You can change the color of the sticky note inside the button, or after you insert the note. Now you're ready to brainstorm your ideas. If you find this helpful, consider following me for more tutorials like this. You can also get my templates on my store. I'll leave the link in the first comment.